This is Project Punda Mbaya, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. This vehicle is painted in full gloss Cornish Cream color with black accents all around. Punda Mbaya sits on Kahn 1983 Black Satin wheels with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. This Defender also features a 6-point full external roll cage, rear ladder, 4 LED round spot lights in the front and 2 in the rear. On the inside, this D110 features an Evander Wood steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Recaro Orthopeds heated and cooled front seats, a 60/40 split midrow seat, and 2 benches in the rear. Each seat is wrapped in Garrett Torino leather, stitched together in black with Diamond Square accents. Project Punda Mbaya also has a personalized texture monogram on the headrest. This vehicle is powered by an LS3 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It also features an array of modern touches such as JL audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.